A computer network is a group of computer systems and other computing hardware devices that are linked together through communication channels. Network is needed for sharing files different computers and make information easier to access. Components of a computer network. Client. A client is a computer that retrieves information from or uses resources provided by a server or main computer. Server. Server is a computer designed to process requests and deliver data to client computers over a local network or the Internet. Network media. Network media is the physical device through which various components of a computer network are connected with each other. Network interface card. A network card acts as the interface between a computer and a network cable. The purpose of the network card is to prepare, send, and control data on the network. Network protocol. A protocol is a set of rules that governs the communications between computers on a network. Network operating system. A network operating system is a software program that controls other software and hardware running on a network. Some of the popular network operating systems are Microsoft Windows NT, Microsoft Windows 2000 and Microsoft Windows XP and Linux. Types of computer networks. There are usually said to be three categories of networks: local area network, metropolitan area network, and wide area network. Local area network. A local area network is a computer network that spans a relatively small area. It consists of just two or more personal computers connected together by a cable, an infrared link or a small radio transmitter. Most mid to large-sized businesses today use LANs, which makes it easy for employees to share information. Metropolitan area network. It is a large computer network that usually spans a city or a large campus using fiber optical links. Wide area network. It is a network that covers a broad area using private or public network transports. This Internet is used by businesses, governments, organizations, and individuals for almost any purposes. LAN topology. A network topology describes the arrangement of systems on a computer network. Some common network topologies include star, ring and bus. Bus topology. Bus topology is the simplest of network topologies. In this type of topology, all the nodes are connected to the single cable, by the help of interface connectors. This central cable is the backbone of the network and is known as bus. Ring topology. In ring topology, all the nodes are connected to each other in such a way that they make a closed loop. Each workstation is connected to two other components on either side, and it communicates with these two adjacent neighbors. Data travels around the network, in one direction. Sending and receiving of data takes place by the help of token. Star topology. In star topology, all the components of network are connected to the central device called hub, which may be a hub, a router or a switch. Hub acts as a junction to connect different nodes present in star network. Communication media. Communication media refers to the means of delivering and receiving data or information. The most commonly used data communication media include wire pairs, coaxial cable, communication satellite and fiber optics. Internet is the largest network of interconnected computers worldwide. Internet stands for Interconnected Network. The Internet shrinks the world, brings information and knowledge on nearly every subject imaginable straight to your computer. Uses of the Internet. Some of the things that can be done on the Internet are: to access a wealth of information, news, search and educational material. To conduct business or complete banking and investing transactions. To shop for goods and services. To meet and converse with people around the world. To access other computers and exchange files. To take a course or access other educational material. How do Internet works? Computers connected through the Internet work together to transfer data and information around the world using to servers and clients. The Internet is a packet-oriented network. It means that the data you transfer is divided into packets. So, when you transfer data across the Internet's various networks, the networks are linked by special computers, called routers. Website. A website is a collection of web pages. A web page is what you see on the screen when you type in a web address. A web page can contain any type of information, and can include text, color, graphics, animation and sound. Electronic mail. Electronic mail or email is one of the most popular uses of the Internet. Electronic mail is text messages that may contain files, images, or other attachments sent through a network to a specified individual or group of individuals. Email is the exchange of computer-stored messages by telecommunication. The general form of an Internet email address is illustrated as alphabetpub@gmail.com.